Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off read receipts on Messenger. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first open up Messenger, then click on your three lines on the top left. Then you should see a settings cog on the top right, so just tap on there. And then if you scroll down, you should come to privacy and safety, so you want to tap on that. And then near the bottom you should see read receipts, so you want to click on there. So by default it should already be turned on, so this will just let you know people will be able to see when you've read their messages. So obviously you just need to toggle that off, and then this will just let you know people won't be able to see when you've read their messages, and you won't be able to see when they've read yours. So that's how you can turn off read receipts on Messenger. Thanks for watching.